Just want to briefly talk to you about the Sinex that we picked up from the team. Now, this has so many different uses for depending on what's going on with you at the time. This is for clearing your sinuses up, or just for me, for soothing them. I suffer with really dry sinuses, and that gives me like sinus pains basically all around there, and it is unbelievably uncomfortable because not much you can do to relieve it other than trying to stay hydrated and take over-the-counter meds. But this has been really helpful for me. So what you do, I'm not going to demonstrate it because I don't think it let me upload a video showing you that because of it's a bit so intimate. But basically you would take the cap off and you pump it up your nose 2 to 6 times if you can, and it would flush through your sinuses. Is it a lovely experience? Well, no, it's not going to be a walk in the park and a big fun time, but it is not horrible. Once you've done it once, you kind of go, okay, I need to do it, and the relief I feel is immediate. It's also good for if you feel like you've got a blockage, you've maybe got an infection coming, you want to just flush through your sinuses. My husband uses his, he's got his own one because he is prone to like a nose whistle, and he finds that once there's a flush through with this, it clears the nose whistle. Who knows where's the whistle up his nose? But it's one of those things that we have permanently in our medicine cabinet for when I get my sinus discomfort and when his nose starts getting congested and he gets that really annoying nose whistle and then I want to, in his sleep. But yes, really recommend it's a product. It's made of seawater and a little bit of aloe vera, I think. So it is really gentle, really natural. And yeah, it's perfect. So if you are looking to deal with your sinuses in the most gentle way I can think of, I do recommend Sinex. I think it's been a really great product for us.